The next neurochemical in this study, which again, now oxytocin has been studied a lot. The next chemical is oxytocin. So I pulled up oxytocin and it was, hundreds and hundreds of papers that were just coming up. And so I just tried to summarize here. Basically, oxytocin makes you feel happy. Right? It gives you feelings of empathy and can actually impact our social behaviors, which I think is really interesting to think about, that there's something that's getting released in my body as a chemical from the pituitary, from my other glands, from the entire neuroendocrine system, that actually makes me more empathetic to other beings, to the situations and the concerns that they have. And that's pretty amazing, that when we touch our dogs and when they touch us, that they also have empathy, that it leads to a positive social behavior for both of us. Oxytocin is also considered a love hormone because it's increased in childbirth. So that's the hormone that relaxes the muscles of uterus during childbirth, promotes positive feelings, increases feelings of trust as well. This is one of my sons, Flint, with Rufus. And I know that Rufus was a therapy dog. And whenever anyone would hold or hug Rufus, it just, smiles, right? Like what Flint has, because there is this increased feeling of trust. And now when I hear about oxytocin and I think about the hormones and the chemicals that are coming into my body, well, that makes a lot of sense, that when I'm with Rufus, I feel calmer. It makes me feel happy.